How to fix unable to log in on Instagram. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skytech Studio. And as you can see, guys, I'm trying to log into my Instagram account and it's frequently giving me this error called unable to log in. An unexpected error occurred. Please try logging in again. If you're having the same problem, don't worry, I'll go ahead. Two different very easy way to fix a problem. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you need to do is just need to press and hold the Instagram app from your device and then simply go and tap on app info. Now once you're here inside your app info, you just need to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on clear data right here. And once you tap on this one, tap on clear cache. Tap on clear cache, and once you do this one, just get back from here and restart your phone once. And once you have restarted your phone, try logging your Instagram account again, and most likely a problem is going to be solved. But if any case, if it's still not working, then this is the final way to fix the problem, and this will be 100% work. You can go ahead and press and hold the Instagram application once again and tap on delete or uninstall, and then tap on uninstall, and the apps will be uninstalled from your device, and open up the Play Store and then install the application once again. And once the application gets installed, go ahead and tap on open and try log into your account again. And here you get to see, guys, I'm successfully logged into my Instagram account. And this is how we actually can fix the problem. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.